Good morning, friends and fellow traders. It's Tuesday, December 19th, and this is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options with your morning market preparation video. And my goodness, what a move this market made yesterday. Just pop. Big move. Saw a little bit of selling in the afternoon. Nothing major. Held up actually really well. And this morning, we see the futures actually pointing to a little bit of a gap up this morning. Now, we do have some, news to come out and things like that today that could move us around a little bit. But as of now, we're looking at a bullish open. Let's keep in mind that the Dow closed yesterday. Let's see, where are we? At 24,792. So we are really 200 points away from clipping that Dow 25,000 number. Now, it almost seems impossible that after such a long run they could continue to push that up, but I wouldn't count that out. I really think they're pushing hard to make that print, and we'll wait and see. But only 200 points away with the gap up this morning. We're looking maybe, if it continues to hold, 175 points or so to Dow 25,000. So it does seem certainly doable. And if we take a look at the VIX, the VIX is really showing us no fear at all. We're down here testing these historical lows. And, even though we really could see, volumes get light and choppy, the push here might be, might happen sooner than you think. We'll have to wait. But it sure looks like that's where they're driving this market, and I would be really surprised if they fail to make that target. Now, I'm not telling you they're going to make that target today. It may be a week from now, it may be 2 weeks from now, it may be a month from now, but I would really be surprised that they're going to turn this loose without tagging that number. So kind of keep an eye on that. If we take a look at the SPY, record highs in the spiders as well, just really looking very, very strong here overall in the market. The Qs also new record highs, gap away, strength in that market. And this morning we can see the Qs are I think they're, at least right now, looking flat. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Now, in the NASDAQ itself, we do have a couple earnings reports to kind of keep in mind. Micron Energy will be reporting today after the close, as well as Red Hat reporting after the close today. So you might want to keep an eye on that. That might fuel the market a little bit and kind of get things going. So be aware of those earnings, and make sure if you're trading something around earnings that you have a plan. You do not want to be caught not having a plan in something like that. So watch those closely as they move toward those earnings events. Also, let's take a look at the IWM. IWM actually reached out and grabbed a new closing high, new closing record high. Not a new closing high print or a new closing print, a new high print, but it did make a closing high. So even the IWM is participating in this move, which really has been hard to get it to do that. Much of this year, it's just kind of languished around with all the money flowing into the bigger stocks. So let's keep an eye on that. The VIX is looking good. One thing of concern, if we take a look at T21.22, the new high 4-week high-low ratio, we're up here near that bearish reversal zone. Something that we'll kind of have to keep an eye on, but also remember, we can stay up in the bearish reversal zone for a while. So you can see how long we can kind of linger around up there. So we're not going to probably see, you know, a move up and an imminent fall. It could stick up here for a while, so kind of keep an eye on that. Let's take a look here really quick at the economic calendar. On the economic calendar, we have just the housing starts that could really move the market around today. That showed huge strength last month, rising substantially. Forecasts are expecting that to show a little bit of moderation today, a little bit of a pullback. I don't know. I doubt that that's going to hurt the market much, but we will see. And then, you know, other than that, you might want to keep an eye out here on the Fed speaker at 1 o'clock this afternoon, 1:10 this afternoon, as a matter of fact. We had about 31 companies on the economic calendar today, or earnings calendar today, preparing to report. So kind of keep that in mind. And let's see, did I miss? Oh yeah, this is another one that I failed to mention in my morning note. FDX is going to report today after the market close. So there's another big potential mover that can move the market around. So we've got, it could be kind of a light, choppy day possibility with a little bit of a bullish lean. And then we get these big earnings reports. They could really drive us for the next couple of days. So kind of keep that in mind. Hey, with that, everyone, if this is the first time you've seen this video, please do me a favor and click on that subscribe button on YouTube and the follow me button on Facebook. You know, I really do appreciate it when you guys click those thumbs up buttons. It helps me a lot. In the sense that it makes those algorithms show my video to more folks. I really do appreciate that. And also when you drop a comment, those are just so nice. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for doing that. Everyone, I want to wish you all a fantastic day. I want to wish you all great profits, and I will talk to you all bright and early tomorrow morning. Take care, everyone.
Ho, 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 ho.